All right, so progress up. What are you doing?
We are hooking the battery from the starter to turn on the car, the electrical. Alright, so here's the starter. That's the starter. And you're gonna hook it up right here. You don't want to hit anything else because it's gonna burn. So that should be enough. Here's the ground. Yeah, let's lower the car a little bit. Should be fine.
Yeah, so before we started doing any of that, so we're trying to get access, we're trying to gain access into the trunk, and we haven't been able to because this car did not come with a key. I tried to take out the back seats, which are right here. This was the most I was able to take out, but now Dad wants to go ahead and play mind games on us. It's working. Power. We have power. Oh, sweet. Oh, shit. Oh, they took the battery. Oh, look at that. It has a powered trunk. You think we can swap this into the other one?
Why the other one doesn't have it?
Doesn't have power trunk. That'll be cool if we can do that.
So let's put a battery inside.
Yo. Does the radio work? I'm so curious. Does the radio work? The radio works. No way. Oh, it's one of these radios. That's sick. Yeah? The radio works. Oh. Wow, they literally took everything from the inside of this car.
What is the birun? Let me see. The birun. The connection. Scratch this.
Wow. And now it has power. So Dad wants to see if the engine will turn. Yeah, so turns out his little trick worked, which is nice. So now we have an open trunk, and now he's really into the idea of, are you serious right now? Is it turning? Oh my God. It's not gonna start, is it? Why wouldn't it start?
Huh?
What's stopping it from starting?
Yeah, you have to have the ignition on, power on the spark plugs and fuel and everything. Yeah, the engine sounds good. I don't know.
It's crazy. That is crazy. So what? We didn't get a piece of junk, or we got a piece of junk that could have had a good life. You think this car could have had a good life?
Could
have had a good life.
Yeah.
Take care of your toys.
If you buy
Yeah, if you buy a key for it and you've replaced all the stuff on top, yeah, you could probably bring this car back to life. Honestly, you're right. Wow. But it's a 550. Who wants to revive a 550 when you could revive a 63 or a 55? It's a shame. These wheels look nice too. All the doors are closed. So now we're gonna put the car down, start taking out the front bumper, headlights, and grille. At the same time, we're gonna remove the hood, and then from there, we're gonna make our way to the back, take everything out that we want from the back. I'm gonna try to get the trunk and put that inside the 55. I don't know if it'll swap correctly, but we'll do it. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take off the grille. There are 3 nuts, bolts, whatever, holding it in. Take that out, and then start making our way down to the bumper, take the headlights out. Oh, guess we're on it already. They're clips, There are 3 clips. 3 clips, one here, and one here. You have a flathead? Oh, doctor.
Make sure you don't break it. That's only $250.
Nice. Well, okay, that was fairly easy. Now we got to take out the front bumper. Once we take out the front bumper, take out these suckers. Yeah, push the brake. Yeah, way different. Why? back is different. They have LEDs. Yeah? Wait. Is it on now? Nice. We have to get a module to convert these into the, to make these work on the older car. Because these are LED. They don't work. These work though. Are the bi-xenons turning on?
No, it has to be with the ignition.
These are bi-xenon lights. What are you doing here?
You have to take the bumper.
I thought we were gonna do the front bumper first.
So we can do any
Well, we're not doing the front bumper. Actually, we are not gonna.
bumpers from the bottom.
My mistake. You think I can swap out the lenses? You don't think I can swap out the lenses? I guess I'll have my love mark here forever. Or I could pay $285 to get a new one, which I'm not gonna do. Ooh, look at that. You can see underneath the car.
Yeah, we broke
We did? Nice.
it about
I really don't care about this car. It's like one of those things, if you mess up, it's okay. Now you know not to do it again on the real deal. They're coming to pick this car up from the spot you told them to come. Yeah. We're gonna have to take out the panel, these panels.
first. Hold on, there's more. One more.
Let me take this out of here. Don't damage it yet. I have no trust, understandably. It's a whole lot different than the R230. That is a trunk thing. You can hang your bags off of it.
Like this. No. Hold on.
Doesn't that twist out?
Let's see what is there.
Taillight.
Is that an amplifier?
A what?
Amplifier?
Probably.
Yeah, it is.
What is that?
Reservoir for the.
Air? Oh, dude, look at that.
You grab the
All right, guys. So yeah, Dad depleted the whole entire trunk and put it outside. Got the taillights out. The rear bumper's over there. Anything you want to say?
We need to take the reinforcement. I think this one was in an accident, but we keep it for a while until...
No, that because this is where you isn't this where you put the thing in, the hook? That is. Look, see, look over there. Can we take this out? Okay.
We can take that the last. But in order to use this, we have to remove all that mechanism. You see there?
Yeah.
Whenever you push the button, there's a motor, there's a computer. It's supposed to communicate. So I don't know if that works with ours. And I need to take the rear SAM out at the end. Right now I'm not gonna touch it because we cannot open the hood, the trunk. Right now you can close it, you can open it.
Hey, okay.
Okay.
Beluga whale. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, please leave a like, comment if you have any questions below. In the next video, we're going to be taking out the front bumper, so please subscribe so you don't miss out on that. I'll see you guys in the next one.